Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Imtiaz and this is the 5% Club. This is another market analysis video, so let's get right into it. Okay guys, markets on all-time high now, which is really good. We should be a bit cautious. Okay, so let's go into charts and see what is our action and what should we be doing. What we should be doing. Okay, so this is on a daily time frame. If we see, market is in a pretty good spot now. Let me move this. Yeah, this is in a very good candle. This is a very strong bullish candle. Okay, this on it on a 4-hour time frame. On a daily time frame, it is a small doji. Dojis are pretty good. This is how dojis work. I already told you guys that I love doji setup just because of this. Dojis gives a very good momentum. Yeah. So drawings are back again. If we see, this is a very potential, very crucial area for bank nifty, for nifty, which has been crossed now. So let's remove all this for now. We don't require so many. Yeah, go to 15 minutes, analyze it. So I did enter here. Okay, I did enter here, and I'm still holding my profit. Okay, my stop loss I moved it to here. I'm still holding my profit. I booked exactly in this candle. I booked it. That is 1:2 was here. Yeah, 1:2. Yeah, see here, I booked my profit. 80% of my profit is booked, and the market came down and then it went up because it has to take a good support here. Only then I'll be looking forward to add it. Okay, so what are my plans for tomorrow? Let me be very clear. Market is here, so tomorrow some panic selling might happen and it might come down. So if it survives here and if I get the same kind of a candle here, I'll be looking forward to buy it again. So this is how this is gonna look from here to here. Yeah, see, this is a very good order block according to me. For me there are so many differences in order block, how I see and smart money people see it. I see it in a different way. So for me this is a good order block. So if the market again comes down, or from here if it comes down, then if it gives a very good bullish candle here, like something like this at 22,030 and above, I'll be looking forward to buy it, and my stop loss will be at 22,000. Okay, so this is how it will be, most probably depending on the candle, and 50 to 60 point will be the stop loss, nothing more than that. But if it gaps up or gaps down, if it gaps up, I'll wait for it to come test this support and then go up. Okay, now it is above this, so that is why I'm considering it as support. So this is how the trade's gonna look. Because the market is bullish, there's no use of seeing sell until unless these swings are crossed. I'm not planning to sell anything. Okay, so next is bank nifty. Bank nifty, I'm still holding it. I still have a gap of almost 200 points, so I'll be waiting for it to be reached. Only then I'll be squaring this off. But if it comes down tomorrow, I'll be holding the trade till my cost to cost, that is till 46,150. Okay, and I'll be adding more position only post 46,965 and above. So here's where I'll be adding more position, nothing before that. Okay, so next let's see US oil. So US oil, I'm waiting for it to take a reversal from this location, that is from $78.45. I'm waiting for it to take a reversal. If it takes a very good reversal, I'll be looking forward to sell it. So it has to go up here and then come down. I'll be looking forward to sell it. Or if it breaches and if it goes like this, then I'll be looking forward to buy. Okay, so these are the plans: buy here or sell here. But the market is bullish, so buying will be the very good option. We can capture the trend, so buying will be a very good option. So above above 79 and $79.05, I'll be looking forward to buy it. If it reverses from here, $78.30 and below, I'll be selling it. Yeah, that is for US oil. Next is gold. Gold, I'm waiting to sell it post 2012. I'm looking forward to sell this. Only if it crosses 2046 or 45, I'll be looking forward to buy. Before that, I'm not buying it. I'm only trying to sell it, and this is a very good place to sell. Because there are too many confluences and this is a trend line. Trend line might get broken down and then it might come down. So I'm bearish on gold. We have 4 to 5 stocks for swing trading. First is sequence sign. Sequence sign, we've already entered it and we are holding it. So I'm looking forward to add more position here. At 149 to 150, I'll be looking forward to buy more, and my stop loss will be at 127. Okay, next is high tech pipes, high-tech pipes, has given a very good breakout after consolidation time. That is, it has consolidated for almost 36 days, 39 days. It has given a breakout. I'm expecting a little pullback. That is still here. If it comes down, I'll be looking forward to buy it. So if I get a price of 165 to 160, 170, I'll be looking forward to buy it, and my stop loss will be at 150. Okay. Next is SBI card. SBI card, this is a very good trend line. This is a base. It was always respecting this base. Only if it breaches down, we should sell it, but it has taken a very good upside momentum from the base. So let's see if it breaches above 747 rupees and above. I'll be looking forward to buy it. I'll be selling only post 695. Okay. Next is United Spirits. United Spirits, guys, this stock and all is holding for a long time, guys, because it's an alcohol company. The other thing is, I don't think in India people are going to stop drinking alcohol, or anywhere in the world they are going to stop drinking alcohol. So these are all very, very long time hold companies. So I'll be adding more position at 1,155 and above. If I get a price of 1,160, I'll be looking forward to buy it, and my stop loss will be at 120. Okay. Next is Finotex, FCL. FCL looks good. It has come down for a small profit booking. So here it might go little bearish, and after that it might go up. So wait for it to give some positive outbreak, and then we can trade it. Okay. So if it crosses 460 and above, I'll be looking forward to buy it. Okay, so if it crosses 460 and above, I'll be looking forward to buy it. My stop loss will be at 430, or if it comes more down, I'll wait for it to create another good bullish candle so I can enter again. Okay, so that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this content. If you guys like it, please like, share and subscribe. This is just my view on the market. This is not a call or a tip. Okay, so please like, share and subscribe. Your support will be definitely appreciated. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.